Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's Cynthia here. In case you're seeing me for the very first time, thank you for coming to this channel. Please subscribe and like and share this video. So yeah, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, and I didn't go to church. Yes, I plan on going in the evening actually. So yeah, I want to go for evening service. But yeah, I just had my bath. I want to do my morning skincare routine. So yeah, first things first, I'm going with my rice toner. I like to use my hand because I feel like using cotton pad is a waste of product. So I use my hand. The weather is actually very dry, hence why my face is looking dry, even though I just came out from the bathroom. Coupled with the fact that I have a dry skin. Hello, welcome back to the vlog. So right now I'm about to do my assignment. As you already know, I'm attending a class. So yeah, after each class they give you an assignment to do and submit. So yeah, my system was having issues. It was very slow, so I had to format my system, hence why it's looking like this. It looks like a computer, like a desktop, sorry, more than a system right now, but I'll have to format and rearrange like everything on it and then re-download the apps that I use to code. So yeah, that's what I want to do first. Then after that I can now start my assignment. So yeah, it's not very fast actually, and I'm happy. That's nice. Before, if I click Chrome, it takes like 3 minutes or 5 minutes to load, but yeah, it's loading faster now. So let's get right into business.